43 years have passed since you left Srila Prabhupada, or at least appeared to have left us. I remember the day here at New Govardhan when the phone call came for Hari Sori. I was in the Parappanaya room, which was right next to the office, and heard the call. This was at the White House down at the bottom of the hill. Hari Sori told Sabhavati to call a meeting that evening to tell us all, as he was leaving immediately for Vrindavan. I went outside and sat on the grass and was wondering what will happen now that you have gone. You were the person who had been our everything, Srila Prabhupada. Now Krishna had taken you back. We used to pray to Krishna, "My dear Lord Krishna, if you so desire, please cure Srila Prabhupada." As I sat there, your voice came to me and said, "Do not think that I have gone." It was amazing, and of course, over the years, after that, I could somehow fathom that you were still present. In your books, tapes, lectures, videos, etc. You are definitely still here with us, Srila Prabhupada. For all who desire you, I am eternally grateful. Your lowly servant, Srila Jagat Priya.